Hello and welcome to my tutorial for Weber State University and the Stewart Library. The Stewart Library can be found at this URL up here, library.weber.edu, or you can visit the Weber State homepage and click on search and then type in library. It will bring you to the same spot. We are first going to look at the library catalog, and the catalog search is a record for physical items found in the library, including where they are located. The Stewart Library Catalog is not the place for electronic resources such as ebooks and streaming music. You will find articles here. The catalog will list the titles of magazines, newspapers, and journals found in the library. However, you will not find the actual articles in these periodicals here. You'll find articles on specific topics in OneSearch. Let's go and look at this search that we're going to do for right now as an example, and you'll notice that there's a call number on each one of these, and there's a whole bunch. But anyway, these call numbers they tell you exactly how to find the item in the library. If the call number begins with a letter, it's probably the Library of Congress. If it begins with a number, it's most likely the Dewey Decimal System call number. And you can see over here that you can add this to your list if it's something you're interested in looking at for your research, and then you can also put a hold on it for the library. And then if we go, let's go back here and go and look at the databases. Databases are this blue icon pancake looking thing. And you see when I click on databases that there are all these letters. So if you know which database you want to go into, and Weber State has around 200 of them, you can click on the letter that it begins with and it will take you to a list of databases under that letter. Or you can do the Academic Search Ultimate, and it will take you to a place where you can then click on Choose Databases. Go through here and it'll give you some different databases to choose for. The purpose of these databases is to help you focus your search. So if you're doing something for more of an in-depth, more of a you need a deeper research level, this is a good place to go. You want to go into a certain database as well as looking in something more broad so that you can get a really good focused search out of it. Okay, let's check out OneSearch, which is more of an interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary search. Okay, out of databases and into OneSearch, which you can get to by clicking on the green search icon. OneSearch is a discovery tool like Library Google Search. If you want to find everything in one place, this is where you'll want to start. OneSearch is best for lower level research like English 2010 or Botany 1303, etc. Also good for interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary approaches. You need to log in with your Weber State University username and password to access licensed resources. And if we come in here, we'll look up the same thing again and see where that takes us. This will take us to a whole bunch of resources that are available through either online, these are all online articles, or you can come down here and find a book, and you can order through the interlibrary loan on here, and or you can read these texts online, which is nice. You can come over here to the left side for a more advanced search, and you can look at content types, newspaper articles, journal articles, books, etc., or discipline. You know, look at these different disciplines you can look at. And so it gives you kind of a number here of what you can look up, and it does a more advanced search, which I think is really helpful. And then last but not least, back here to the Stewart Library main page, and come up here to help with the little message icon next to it. It gives you all the different things you can use for help. So you can text a librarian, you can see the hours here, or you can call a librarian. These are helpful if you don't know how to cite a certain reference. Maybe the journal article is got a confusing, you're not sure if it's the journal you're referencing or something else, and so you can call and ask a librarian for help if you need it. Send an email, visit the reference desk. There's lots of different things you can do here in help. And so that is it for my tutorial on the Stewart Library at Weber State University. Thanks for listening.